Hi friends, my name is Krishna. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. We are going to learn balancing of an account today. I'll take one example and explain to you how to do the balancing. Right? What I need from you is please go through this video till the end. If you like the content, please subscribe to my channel. Share this video with your friends and colleagues. That's all I'm expecting from you. Right? Thank you. Okay friends, let us now discuss how to do the balancing of an account. Okay? As I said, I'm going to take one example and explain to you. Right. Let us take an example of goods purchased from Krishna for credit. Goods purchased from Krishna for credit. Let us say goods purchased from Krishna for 10,000. What entry we post? We debit purchase debit 10,000 to Krishna 10,000. I'm not going to explain the journal entry. Yeah? So this is the first entry. This has happened on 1st January 23. Right? Then again 5th January 23. Again we purchased 5,000 goods. Again entry is going to be purchase debit 5,000 to Krishna 5,000. This is also purchased for credit. Next 10th January 23. We paid cash to Krishna 3,000. So when we pay cash to Krishna, what entry we write? We debit Krishna 3,000 to cash 3,000. Let us post these three entries into Krishna account and do the balancing of Krishna account. We are going to prepare only Krishna account here. Just to make you understand how to do the balancing, I'm not going to talk about purchases, I'm not going to talk about the cash account, I'm going to prepare only Krishna account. Why am I preparing Krishna account? Just to make you understand how to do the balancing. Clear? Right. Let us open Krishna account. This I am taking it as Krishna account. Okay? Right. Where is Krishna here? Krishna account is credited. Since Krishna account is credited, I need to record in credit side of this account. What is that I'm supposed to write? This is what? By purchases. When, what date? 1/1/23. I will write 10,000. Clear? Right. Go to the next one. Next entry, what did we do Krishna here again? We credited Krishna. Since we credited Krishna, again we need to do the credit side of the Krishna account. So, by purchases 5,000. This is happened on 5/1/23. 5,000. Clear? Next. In this entry, what we did, Krishna? We debited Krishna. What we did? We debited Krishna. Since Krishna account is debited, where do I need to record this? In Krishna account? Debit side I need to record. When I am writing this in debit side, what I am supposed to write? This is what I am supposed to write. To cash 3,000. This has happened on 10/1/23. So I prepared a Krishna account by considering all the three journal entries into account. I prepared Krishna account. Now balancing part comes into the picture. How do I do the balancing? While doing the balancing, what you need to keep in mind is there are two sides. Debit side and the credit side. Left side is called debit side, right side is called credit side. There are two sides. This is one side and this is another side. Debit side and credit side. So when we have two sides in this account, since we have two sides in the account, we need to see which side is having a bigger amount, overall bigger amount. See, this side we have 3,000 overall. This side we have overall 15,000. Are you clear? What is that we are doing? Which side we know we have a bigger amount? This side we have, debit side we have 3,000, credit side we have 15,000. So which side you have bigger amount? Credit side you have a bigger amount. So first you need to total that side. First we need to total that side. How much it will come? 15,000 is the total. Which side we have the bigger amount we identified, that is a credit side, and we totaled that amount as 15,000. Same amount you need to put exactly opposite to this. You need to put 15,000. Krishna, do you have 15,000 here? You don't have, but still whatever total amount you put here, same amount you need to put here. Whatever amount you totaled here, wherever you identify the bigger amount, same amount you need to bring it here. 15,000. How much we have here? 3,000. But what should be the total? 15,000. So 15,000 minus 3,000. You need to deduct this 3,000 from 15,000. How much it will come? 12,000. This 12,000 you need to record here. And what you need to do is here to balance, right? Carry down. To balance, carry down. When do you do this? Either month end or whenever you do the balancing, that day's date you need to put. Let us say I'm doing this on month end. So 31st January 23, I did to balance carry down 12,000. So how did I get this 12,000? This 15,000 minus 3,000 is equal to 12,000. This is the balance I have. Now we need to understand what does it mean. See here, it gives a very clear picture, guys. First, we purchased 10,000 on 1st January 23. We purchased 10,000 worth of goods. Then 5th January, what we did? We purchased another 5,000 worth of goods. So total, how much worth of goods we purchased from Krishna? 15,000 rupees worth of goods purchased from Krishna. That is the meaning of this side. First 10,000, next 5,000, total put together. How many worth of goods we purchased? 15,000 worth of goods purchased from Krishna. Clear? Now, out of this 15,000, how much we paid to Krishna? 3,000. I am supposed to pay 15,000 to Krishna because I purchased. I purchased 15,000 worth of goods from Krishna and I am supposed to pay 15,000. But how much I paid? 3,000. So what is the balance I am supposed to pay? 12,000 I am supposed to pay. So by looking at this account, Krishna account, what is that final balance you arrived? 12,000 is the final balance. So what is your understanding by looking at Krishna? By looking at Krishna, you will get to know, oh, I purchased 15,000 worth of goods from Krishna in 2 different dates. And I paid 3,000 rupees cash to him already. And I am yet to pay 12,000 rupees cash to him. That should be the understanding by looking at this account. That should be your understanding by looking at this account. This is what we call it as a classified statement, which is in the form of English letter T and which will give the final balance of that particular account. Now you see, by looking at Krishna account, you will get to know what is the final balance you are supposed to pay. I am supposed to pay 12,000 rupees to Krishna. That is what is the balance you are able to see by looking at this account. This is the beauty of ledger. You will not get this kind of details mere by going through the journal book. That is the reason ledger is very important. Are you clear now? Now, this balance, we are saying balance carried down. Why are we saying this as balance carried down? That means this balance we are yet to pay and we are carrying forward this balance to next period. The next period can be next month, next quarter, next half year or next year or whatever be the period you are carrying forward. So to balance carried down is nothing but this is the balance I am supposed to pay, I am yet to pay, hence I am carrying forward this amount to next period. So to balance carried down, if I write here, then below this total, other side, since balance carried down has come in debit side, by balance brought down should come here. On next period is 1 to 23. February 23, this will go to next month. February month, I am supposed to settle 12,000 rupees to Krishna. So if the balance carried down is coming debit side, brought down should come in credit side. If the balance carried down comes in credit side, brought down should come here in debit side. So you need to understand how to, where is that balance carried down is coming. Here it is coming in debit side. Since brought down is nothing but I am bringing down that balance from January month to February month. That is the meaning of it. I'm bringing down the previous month balance to the current month. Current month is February. Right? I hope you are clear. Let me quickly recap what we understood. For what we did, first we entered purchases, right? And we also entered the payment entry. These three entries we posted. Then what we did, which side is having a bigger amount? Bigger amount is having in credit side of the Krishna account. So since the bigger amount is having credit side, we totaled that side first. 15,000 is the total we totaled. Same line, same exactly opposite, you need to put the total here, same total. Whichever side is the higher, that you have totaled, right? Same amount you need to put in debit side. Once you put this amount as 15,000 here, just you need to subtract this 3,000 from this 15,000. How much you got? 12,000. This 12,000, what you need to name it as to balance carried down. Why? What is the meaning of to balance carried down? I am carrying forward this balance to the next period because I am yet to pay this 12,000 rupees to Krishna. So I am carrying forward this balance to next period. So that is the meaning of to balance carried down. Then once this carried down shows current month how much I am supposed to carry forward. Then I need to bring this balance as opening balance for the next period. So if I want to bring that as an opening balance for next period, to balance carried down is here and I need to bring this as by balance brought down. Why balance brought down? Balance brought down is something I am bringing from the previous month. Bringing from previous months. That is the reason this 12,000 should come this side. Very simple. There is no complexity here. Very easy to post the transaction and very easy to balance the transaction. Are you clear? Very good. If you like the content, please like my video, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends and colleagues. Thank you so much.